Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and click on Connections. Now you need to select Bluetooth feature and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Then just wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. Now, in order to connect, you need to select pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the chosen one and select Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up over here. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on it and select pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!